Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on blood relation. It says, Abra is Rambo's daughter, Shintu is Rambo's sister, Shintu's daughter is called Kabra, and son is called Dabra. Limba is Kabra's maternal aunt. Rambo is Kabra's. So as we see, this question involves multiple people. And then the question is Rambo is Cabra's. That means we have to determine the relationship between two of the persons given in the question. That is Rambo is Cabra's what? So when there are multiple people involved in the question, the best approach to solve this category is by drawing a flowchart among the people in the question. When I say drawing a flowchart, I'm talking about drawing the generation based flowchart. It becomes very easy for us to figure out the answer of a question if we draw a flowchart around it. So let us see how we can solve such a question. As it is given that Abra is Rambo's daughter. Now please understand, if Abra is Rambo's daughter, she is going to be a female and Rambo's daughter, and therefore I put Rambo in a different generation. Please see, this is one generation and this is second generation, and thus there is a vertical line between them, and because Abra is a daughter, I'm just going to mention it. The next line says Shintu is Rambo's sister. Now Shintu becomes Rambo's sister, and therefore on a horizontal line Shintu becomes Rambo's sister. Please understand, I have so far not written the gender for Rambo because it is not given in the question, and I'm not going to make a assumption that Rambo being a male person or a female. I'm not going to do that. I'll keep it as it is. Next line says Shintu's daughter is called Cabra. Now Shintu, her daughter is called as Cabra. So I'm just going to mention, because she is a daughter, it will be a female person. And also let us mention that she is a daughter. And as I said, because there is a daughter and a mother relationship, it has a vertical line between them. And a son called as Dabra. So a son for Shintu called as Dabra. Because a son, let's put a male, and I'm just going to write it as son. The next line says Limba is Cabra's maternal aunt. Now Cabra is here. Her mother is Shintu, maternal aunt. That means Shintu should have either a sister, because of the space I'm just using this Limba. If she becomes a sister of Shintu, she can be a maternal aunt. Now you may think that Cabra's mother's, if Rambo is a brother, his wife can also be maternal aunt, and thus Limba can be placed here as well. Because if this is you, your mother, her brother, and his wife will also be a maternal aunt for you. But then please understand, this is okay, but we do not know the gender for Rambo, and thus we do not know whether Rambo is a male or a female. And if we do not know the gender for Rambo, I cannot say that Limba is a wife for Rambo. And thus putting Limba here is not possible. So therefore Limba becomes sister of Shintu. And now the question is, Rambo is Cabra's what? So because Cabra is here, Cabra's mother is Shintu, her sibling is Rambo. Now who is Rambo? We do not know. As I said, it can be a male, it can be a female. So we cannot determine who is Rambo to Cabra. It can be uncle, it can be aunt as well. So therefore, because of the absence of the gender given, we can only say that answer to this question is cannot be determined, because we do not know the gender for Rambo, and hence Rambo's relationship with Cabra cannot be justified. Thus, the answer to this question is cannot be determined, or I can say data insufficient if it is in the options. So this is how we can approach a question, and as I said in the beginning, please do not assume the gender of a person. It is impossible for us to do so. So that's how we can find out a question or find out a solution to a problem based on blood relation which has multiple people involved. I hope you have understood the solution to this problem. Thank you everyone.